Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm really excited to share something with you today that's been a total game changer for me, and honestly, I think it could be a turning point for you too. Especially if you've been looking for a way to make money online without the usual hurdles like building a website, dealing with complicated funnels, or even showing your face on camera. So here's the deal. Over the past year, I've been using this simple AI-powered system that creates YouTube videos for affiliate marketing, and it's been generating consistent sales for me on autopilot. I'm talking about real passive income from videos I didn't even have to record myself. No long editing sessions, no on-camera anxiety, and no sales calls. Just a smart, automated way to get content out there and let the system do the heavy lifting. I get it. It sounds a little too good to be true. I was skeptical too when I first heard about it. But once I saw how the pieces fit together, how AI could script, voice, and even animate engaging YouTube videos, I realized this wasn't just some overnight trend. This was a full-on shift in how we can build online businesses with very little upfront work, no expensive gear, and no technical background. The beauty of it is how simple it is to get started. You don't need any experience with video editing, you don't have to be a marketing expert, and you definitely don't need to spend money on ads to get traffic. The system taps into the power of YouTube's search engine and the viral nature of short-form video content to bring traffic directly to your affiliate links. That means people are actively searching for the exact kind of content your videos are providing. And when they find them, you get paid. Now, I want to make this super clear. This isn't about making a bunch of low-quality spammy videos. This is about creating value-packed, AI-generated videos that solve real problems for viewers and lead them naturally to products or services they're already interested in. When done right, it feels less like selling and more like helping, which is honestly the best way to build trust and long-term income. One of the things I love most about this method is how flexible it is. You can be anywhere in the world, working from a laptop or even just your phone. There's no schedule, no boss, no daily grind. You set it up once, and it keeps running. Some of the videos I created months ago are still making commissions today, completely passively. And here's where it gets even better. The training that walks you through this whole system is completely free. It was created by a guy named Justin Sardi, who has been in the affiliate game for over a decade. He's helped thousands of people start earning with YouTube videos, and now he's showing exactly how to do it with the help of AI. He breaks down everything from choosing your niche, to setting up the videos, to getting traffic and scaling your results. You don't need a fancy camera. You don't need a website. You don't even need to talk if you don't want to. The AI tools do it all. They write the script, generate the voiceover, add visuals, and even upload your content. All you really need is the willingness to learn and apply the steps. And trust me, once you see that first sale come in, it's a feeling that's hard to describe. What really sealed the deal for me was realizing I could do this without sacrificing my time or freedom. I didn't want to spend my days stuck on social media, constantly chasing engagement or fighting with ad platforms. I wanted something that worked quietly in the background while I focused on the things that matter most. And this system gave me exactly that. So if you've been thinking about starting something online but felt overwhelmed by the tech, the time, or just not knowing where to begin, I really encourage you to check out the free training. It could be the start of something huge for you, just like it was for me. And who knows, a few videos from now, you could be the one sharing your success story. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you got value from this, give it a like, subscribe for more content like this, and drop a comment if you've got questions or just want to say hey. I always love hearing from you. All right, I'll catch you in the next video.